Morning students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, this is your maths class and today we will start one new chapter 8, and the chapter name is measurement of length. Okay, so students, as you know, we measure many things in our daily life with scale or meter rod. So today we will discuss how to measure things by a scale. Okay, so today we will discuss about scale. So the length of a scale is 15 centimeter. The length of its scale is 15 centimeter. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, sorry. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. The length of a scale, this is a scale. Okay, and the length of a scale is 15 centimeter. Okay, this digits are centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. It means 1 centimeter gap. This is 1 centimeter. Sorry, 0, 1. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. But means it's a length of 6 centimeter. So if we measure anything with the scale, then we put the scale on the thing and we measure the length. Understood? So look, if we have, and one thing, each centimeter having 10 millimeters. Each centimeter having 10 millimeters. Okay? Means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay? So each centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, and one thing, if we have to draw a line of 5 centimeter, so how to draw a line of 5 centimeter? So students, we put a point here and we draw a point here and draw a line segment. It's a line segment of 5 centimeters. If we draw a line segment of 8 centimeters, we put a point here and draw a line segment of 8 centimeters. It's a length of 8 centimeters. This is the length of 8 centimeters. Understood? So if we draw a line of 6 centimeter, so put a mark in 0 and 6 and draw a line segment. It's a line segment of 6 centimeter. Okay. So next, come to exercise 8A. Okay, so students, take out your book and open page number 107. Open page number 107. Write down the length of the object in the box. Write down the length of the objects in the box. Okay, means we have to write the length of each object. Okay, so first object is a pencil. Then the length of a pencil, here it starts with 0 and it ends with 14. The last point of this pencil is in 14. So the length of this pencil is 14 centimeter. The length of the pencil is 14 centimeter. Brush, okay, color brush, it starts with 0 and ends with 12. So the length of this brush is 12 centimeter. Next, toothbrush. So the length of toothbrush is 9 centimeter because it starts with 0 and the end point of this brush is in 9. So the length of this toothbrush is 9 centimeter. Screwdriver, the length of this screwdriver is 7 centimeter. Okay, and the length of this holder is 5 centimeter and the length of this key is 2 centimeter. Okay, so write these answers in the boxes. Okay, next exercise 8B. Exercise 8B is based on the length of scale. Exercise 8B. Question number 1. Measure the length of the object. Write the length in the blank space. Okay. Pin is how many centimeters long? Pin is, we have to write the length of this pin. We have to write the length of this pin. So we put the scale above this pin. We put the scale here and measure the length. We put the scale here and measure the length. 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, etc. Okay. Crayon is, syringe is, cell is. Okay. It means we have to write the length of these objects. So first we have to measure these objects and get the answer. Okay. Part B, measure the length of the line segment and write your length in the blank. Okay. We have a line segment AB. We have a line segment AB. Measure this line segment with the help of scale and write the length of this object, this line segment. So if we measure this line segment with the help of scale, so we find the answer maybe 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter or etc. And measure this line segment and get the answer. Okay, understood? The length of the line segment CD. So put the scale above this line segment and measure the length of CD. Measure the line segment of EF. Okay, the length of the line segment here. And question number 5, the length of the line segment MN. So it's easy to find the length of any line segment. Okay. Question number 6. We have many line segments A, B, C and CD. AB, BC, and CD. And we have to find the length of AB, BC, and CD. Okay? We have three line segment AB, BC, and CD. And find the length of AB, BC, and CD. So we put the scale here. And measure the length with the help of scale. So maybe the length of AB is 5 centimeter. We put the scale here above this line BC and find the length of BC, maybe 4 centimeter. Then we put the scale above this line segment CD and we find the length of CD. Maybe the length of AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 3 centimeter. Maybe. Then you have to find the length of AB, BC, and CD. And equation number 6. The length of AB plus BC plus CD. The length of AB plus BC plus CD. First, we find the length of AB, BC, and CD, and then at last we add all the length of line segments. Okay? Understood? See, on a notebook, draw line segment of following lengths. On a notebook, draw line segment of following lengths. Okay? First length is 3 centimeter. So how to draw a 3 centimeter line segment? So first we put the scale here. Okay. So first we put the scale on your paper and we point the mark from 0 to 3. We point the mark from 0 to 3. Okay. And draw a line segment. This line segment is 3 centimeter. Okay. Question number 2, 5 centimeter. So we point 0 to 5 and draw a line segment. It's a line segment of 5 centimeter. Okay. 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. Okay, students. So your exercise 8A and 8B is finished. Now, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. And we also write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Understood? So, your exercise 8C. Question number A. Convert the following lengths into centimeters. Convert the following length into centimeters. The lengths are given in meter, and we have to convert all the lengths in centimeters. So, question number 1. Exercise A, C. Convert 4 meter into centimeter. Convert 4 meter into centimeter. So students, as you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If we convert meter into centimeter, then we multiply meter by 100. Then we multiply meter by 100. If we convert centimeter into meter, then we divide 100 by centimeter. Okay, centimeter divided by 100. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 4 meter is equal to 4 multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 400 centimeter. Is equal to 400 centimeter. Understood? Next, 10 meter. 10 meter is equal to 10 meter is equal to 10 multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Is equal to 1000 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the formula. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If we convert meter into centimeter, then we multiply the meter by 100. Okay? Question number 7. 102 meter. 102 meter. Convert into centimeter. 102 meter is equal to 102 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2 centimeters. This is the answer. Okay, 10,200 centimeters. Understood? Part B and part C. Convert the following lengths into meters and centimeters. Part B. Now convert the centimeter into meter and meter into centimeter. So, first question number 1, 125 centimeter, and convert this number, this centimeter to meter. If we convert the centimeter into meter, then 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter. So we divide the centimeter by 100. 1.25 meter is the answer. 1.25 meter is the answer. Means 1 meter 25 centimeter. 1 meter 25 centimeter. 1 meter and 25 centimeter. Next, Three hundred 327 centimeters change into meter. So 327 centimeter change into meter. So we divide centimeter by 100. 327 upon 100 is equal to 3.27 meter. Means 3 meter 27 centimeter. 3 meter 27 centimeters. Understood? 3 meter 27 centimeters. So question number 3 to 8. All the questions are same as question number 1 and 2. So rest all the questions do yourself. Next, part C. Convert the following lengths into centimeter. Convert the following lengths into centimeter. Question number 1. 8 meter and 21 centimeter, and we have to convert this number into centimeter. So 8 meter is equal to 8 into 100 centimeter plus 21 centimeter is equal to 800 plus 21 centimeter is equal to 821 centimeter. 821 centimeter. Understood? Question number 2. 12 meter 80 centimeter. 12 meter 80 centimeter. So first convert meter into centimeter. 12 into 100 centimeter plus 80 centimeter is equal to 1200 centimeter plus 80 centimeter is equal to 1280 centimeter. 1280 centimeter. Understood? So students, your exercise 8C is also finished. So next class we will start exercise 8B. Okay? Now your homework is complete exercise 8A, 8B and 8C. Complete exercise 8A, 8B and 8C. Okay? Thank you.